very wet, isn't it? Here we are in the rain, hiding from the rain with your umbrella. Hear a plane? You hear a plane, Jessie? Hold your umbrella up. Keep the rain off. More rain. Oh yeah, that's it, Jessie. I hear it now. Make sure you wave. Make sure you wave to the train. Alright, I can hear it. Here it is. I see the lights. Here he goes. Oh, he's noisy. Put your fingers in your ears. Put your fingers in your ears. Here it is. Look at that. There he goes. He did come out of the tunnel. There he goes. Noisy. It was noisy.
It's noisy. Wow, bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye, train. Right, shall we get in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too wet, isn't it?
Bye bye.
It's too wet. Let's get back to the car. Let's get back to the car. Oh. Right, come down. Take your umbrella with you. Good girl.